Hello everyone. Today we are going to work out on threesome problem. It comes into the array series of problems we are going through. Threesome in general is a consider there is an array and there is a target. So summing up of three values in array, it should come up to the target value. So let us go through the examples. So we have input array in the first example of 1, 4, 45, 6, 10, and 8. And the target is 13. So 1, 4, and 8 sums up to 13. So the output is true. 8 plus 4, 12, and plus 1, 13. So basically you call it as threesome or triplet. And input array of second example is 1, 2, 4, 3, 6, 7, and the target is 10. So 6 plus 3, 9, plus 1, 10. It sums up to target value 10, and even 7 to 1 sums up to 10. Even it contains 1 or 2, you should return the output as true. And in the third array, we have 40, 20, 10, 3, 6, 7, and target is 24. So there is no triplet to form the sum 24. We return false. So this is on the threesome problem. Let us deep dive into the coding part. So I have created a threesome class. I have created calculate threesome method. I have created a public static void main. And I have given some inputs of an array 1, 4, 45, 6, 10, 8, and the target is 30. The first example we saw just now. And if it is true, then we are printing it is true, or else it is false. Coding part. So we have calculate threesome here. Okay. Now what we will do is we will start with the coding part. We will create a length variable. Now, first we will loop through the array and then we will see int I equal to 0 and I is less than or equal to n I plus plus. So we will have a temporary variable to hold the value of the current I. Now we will have interim target as target minus temp. So as it is a threesome, so in the first loop, we are taking a temporary value as the input array of the loop, input array of I, and then we are subtracting it with the target value. Now, our job is to find the interim target. So for that, we have to loop through again. We'll have int low as we have I value, low as I plus 1 and high as n. When low is less than high, we will consider it as temporary target, and then input array of low and then input array of high. So this one should be input array of low. So now we have temporary target. So if the temporary target is equal to interim target, then we are returning true in this case alone. Else we need to make sure we are incrementing either low or decrementing high using this logic. So now consider temporary target is less than interim target, low plus plus, else high minus minus. I think this logic should work. Let us run through it and see the current file, what we are getting, or else we will debug it. True. So we are totally good and our code works. So it is 13, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13. So right now I'll make, for the fun part, I'll make it 130. It should return false. Yeah, it returned false. We are also good here. So this works, and we will now look into time and space complexity. So time complexity will be order of n, and space complexity will be order of 1. So why we are having the time complexity of order of n? We are looping through twice. So we have for loop and a while loop. And why we have space complexity as order of 1? We are directly using the input array as is. We are not using any other data structure to store our resultant values. So that is why we are having this. And we are using method variables which are all constants of order of 1. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. And if you have any better solutions or suggestions, please do run through in the comments. Like, we will go through it. And if you like me to go any of the problem solving problems, please let me know. We will walk through it. Thank you for watching this video and have a very good day.